Despite these challenges, the opportunities are undeniable. Imagine a world with reduced emissions where travel times are cut short and connectivity is increased tenfold. Picture a world where distance doesn't matter, where you can be anywhere you want in a matter of minutes. This is the promise of these new modes of transport. Though challenges lie ahead, the potential benefits of these technologies make the journey worth it. So, what does this mean for us, the everyday commuters and the thrill-seeking explorers, you might ask? Well, these emerging technologies are more than just fascinating concepts. They represent a profound shift in our thinking about transportation. The days when we were limited to traditional modes of transport, bound by roads and railways, are fading into the rearview mirror. We're pushing the boundaries of what's possible, reimagining how we move around, and who knows, maybe one day we'll even conquer the final frontier, space travel. The potential benefits are staggering. With flying cars and hyperloops, we could drastically reduce travel times, making the world a smaller place. Imagine having breakfast in New York, lunch in Paris, and dinner in Tokyo. Not only would this revolutionize tourism and business, but it would also bring us closer together as a global community. Moreover, these technologies could play a significant role in combating climate change. With electric flying cars and zero-emission hyperloops, we could dramatically reduce our carbon footprint, making our journeys not just faster, but also greener. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's still a long road ahead, filled with challenges and obstacles. However, with our collective ingenuity and determination, there's no doubt we'll overcome them. So buckle up, stay curious, and get ready for a wild ride into the future of transportation. The age of sitting in traffic and waiting for delayed trains is coming to an end. The future is fast, the future is exciting.